Wayne. Oh, good God.
Oh, boot camp on steroids. Oh yeah.
That's just unbelievable how strong he is. Now he's about gassed. You only got another 20 minutes on it.
Leader's up.
Oh, there it is.
Saw him.
Oh, there he is.
Hit the
There
barn
he is.
door.
There he is.
I see it.
More flash. That's a
Oh,
big one. That's a
Holy
wow.
shit!
That's a big one.
That is a big one.
Oh, shit.
He's stroking out.
He's stroking her.
Holy.
He's big. He
Okay.
is big. He ain't gonna fit in
Dang
that
it,
net.
motherfucker!
Net it. He ain't gonna fit in that net.
You deserve a barb for your necklace.
Oh, come on, son.
Yeah, we could do the barb for you. And that'd be probably about a 4 to 6 inch barb there. Pretty good size.
That sucker was huge. Struck out?
Nah, he's coming up. He's coming up again.
Deadlift.
Going out again. Here.
No,
It's like flashing right there.
Keep going, yeah.
Oh, shit. No, no, son. It's... All right, let me reel down.
That little crab right there. That's a good sized stingray though.
That is a big one.
Hauling up the big rag, wet rag.
More like a wet rag. There he is. Oh, God. Oh, that's a monster. He's got a remora on.
Holy fuck.
That is a monster. Yeah, I don't know what you're doing.
Watch it.
Oh.
You got something to cut it with?
You mean like stab him?
No, I mean cut
No,
the line.
yeah. I don't want to get the tip. Get the raw tip. Now look at him. He's got fish on his back. He's got remora on him.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Get a good
Release
picture
him.
of it? Go down below and get a picture.
Get in the water.
I got a bunch. Hopefully they turn out. You want to get him up on the deck?
Yeah, bring him
No,
up.
there's no way.
No, there's no way.
That's got to wait.
There's no way.
There's no way.
Bring down below.
Oh, it's
There's
off.
no way.
No. I got a bunch. I can share.
I thought